Hey guys, it's me Alice back with another video for you guys today, and today I'm here with a special guest and her name is Wanya, and today we are doing the blindfolded slime challenge. As you can see, we have our blindfolds and we have all of our slime things here. We have some glue, some paint, shaving cream, the contact solution, and some glitter. Whoa, some glitters. So let's get started. So the first thing is we have to put our blindfolds on. So yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Gosh, hopefully it fits me. Oh my gosh.
I can't.
Okay, I can't see anything. We can't see anything.
So we start.
So let's start. So this is the ball. Okay.
I found the glue.
I don't know how much I'm gonna take.
Did you find the glue?
Yeah, I found the glue. Wait. I'm just gonna Okay.
I don't know what you're putting in. Wait, I'm just gonna put this name.
I'm gonna put that much in. Like guys, can you see? Can you help me?
God.
Oh my gosh, it feels heavy. Okay. I think I'm just gonna I'm just gonna put that in. Okay, let's put it on the side. Okay, so now let's put in our color.
Goodness gracious. I can't.
This is the color.
I can't close it.
I didn't even close it properly either. Okay.
I found my color. Me too. Is this? Oh, God, ew. Oh, right. I have to open this weird. Is it? Oh, yeah.
I already opened the thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Where's the box? Okay. I don't know how much. Wait.
Goodness gracious.
Wait, sound.
Eesh.
I think that's okay. Guys, can you tell me if this is okay or not? I don't know. But I think we got one mixing utensil. Oh my gosh.
I don't even know if something came out.
I have my mixing utensil here.
Wait.
And as you can see, there's some slime on it because we were doing some slime things before this. But, you know, I'm just going to in the box.
Wait, nothing.
Let's mix this in. Oh my gosh. It feels so weird. Or like, I think I can feel some glue.
Nothing's coming out by my glue. What?
Just let it mix it. I don't know how much I'm going to mix it.
Something's wrong.
I'm already mixing it, my colors together. I don't know how long I need to mix it.
Oh God. Oh, I think I need no. What the hell?
It's like stuck. If you can see, I don't know if it's pink or not. But
I'm by the acrylic.
Okay, so
Oh.
now I'm gonna put in some glitter. So I'm trying to find the glitter.
I'm getting it.
See?
I'm getting
Three
one.
right now.
Hopefully it's not the green one. Who's the yellow one is this one? Okay, let's put them in. Wait, where's the box? I don't have the box. Okay, I can't even open it.
Ow!
Oh my god, I think I put in some. Wait, where's the lid? Okay, here we go.
Ow! How should I open this?
Ow! Wait.
Oh, I actually.
Okay, I got this one. I don't know what this one is. Wait, it's a good one.
I think that was the one.
Yeah. Where's the box?
I think I better. Oh God,
Okay,
who cares?
here's the lid. I don't know how this is going, but it's going like this. And the last one. I don't know what color this is, but hopefully it's blue.
Oh God, I'm
Or like
by the second one.
Ow! Oh, there we go. I'm on my third one. I think I'm just gonna put 3 in because I don't want to have too many glitters in mine.
I think I'm gonna put
Thingy.
Yeah, I think
So I think that's enough. I don't want to put everything in.
Oh
Wait,
goodness.
what am I doing?
I don't even know what you're doing. I'm blindfolded.
That's the lid. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix the fingers together. And okay. Let's mix it. Everyone, yeah?
I think I put a little bit too much on it.
Okay.
Wait, what? I found.
We're mixing it.
I think. Should I put the shaving cream in?
I'm gonna put the.
Where's my?
Oh, I think I found shaving cream. Yeah,
Wait,
that's shaving cream.
where's my my brush? Oh, there it is.
Okay, so we got shaving cream. I'm gonna put that in now. I don't know how much I'm gonna put in, but
Oh goodness, this
hopefully I can tell how much with the sound. Well, where's the thingy where it comes out? Oh, here we go.
I think.
Okay, here we go. Okay, let's go. This is the, where's the left part? Where it comes out. Here we go, okay. God, I scared myself to death. I don't know how much I'm putting in. I think that's enough. I don't know how much I put in actually.
I think that was
What's
enough.
on my hands? Oh my God.
Can I have the shaving cream?
Oh my gosh!
Where's the shaving cream?
Here. Be careful! I just feel where the thing that comes out. Oh my!
Ew.
Oh! I got shaving cream on the table. Oh my gosh! Okay.
Wait, how do you know that?
Because I can feel it.
Where does it come?
Oh
I
my
put it
gosh,
on
I think I put too much in. I can tell. I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna mix this in. Hopefully I didn't put in too much to ruin my slime.
Oh, I'm putting it the wrong way. Great job.
Okay.
I have shaving cream on my hand. Oh, there you go.
Oh my, why did I put my fingers in the slime? I'm so dumb.
My hands are so cool. Don't even touch the thingy shaving cream.
I'm gonna touch the contact lens lotion now. And try to
Ew,
put
it's
it in.
everywhere. Oh my god.
Oh gosh.
I can feel how much I put in here, and it's like a ton.
I'm gonna start with that, and then if you want the shape glue thingy, here's the thingy. Here's and there we go. Oh my gosh. I think we have a lot to clean up after this.
Yeah. I think. Okay, where's the
What do you
contact
think
lens?
it's doing? Where's the?
I found the contact.
What? I need a shave cream.
It's somewhere back of it. Oh, it's here.
Can I get it? Where is it?
Here.
Where is it?
It's here.
Okay. Where's
It's so full
what's
of.
the thing coming out?
Wait, did you already open the? No, you didn't open the contact. Oh, you
Where is
did
it?
open the contact lens.
I can't feel it. I think this thing. Okay.
Okay, I think this is it. No. Oh, oopsie, that was the glitter. So good. Oh my god, I think mine's finished.
Like, oh my God. I don't think so.
Well,
It has to be really hard.
Well, mine is finished.
Okay. I'm gonna put some more in because
Are you ready for the big reveal? Because I'm finished.
wait, don't take off your blindfold.
No, I'm not. I'm just taking.
Oh my gosh, it's not finished at all. There is that thing. Okay, guys.
Oh my
And maybe like in a few minutes we're gonna take off our blindfold because we have to. After this does not work, we're gonna still try. Okay.
Oh, it's actually really good. I really like mine.
Do you already put it on your hands?
Yeah. Yeah, it's so already finished. Well, mine is. I hope I got good glitters. That's all I want. And enough color. Oh, I can already take it right now.
I can put a lot of shaving cream, as you can see.
Oh, I actually just stir mixed my bowl.
Oh, it's getting.
Thick up,
I feel it. It's getting.
thick up.
I can just sense it. Oh my gosh! It feels thicker.
It's
okay.
everywhere.
I'm gonna put a little bit more shaving cream because I don't know.
Can we now do the reveal? Because my hands are like dying.
Wait a minute. I just have to get this thingy done.
And then mine is so.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna try to. Actually, no. I need a little bit more contact lens solution.
Oh, mine is really good. Oh, but I think it's too sticky. Oh no, mine is too sticky. Fuck.
Is it?
It's everywhere my hands now, and it was too.
Thick here.
I'm gonna put it in. Oh, there
Oh,
it
I
goes.
got like I put it. Did I actually?
Okay,
I
I'm
seriously
going in
just
with my
put.
hands.
I seriously just put in like a glitter bottle. Wherever it
Oh,
is.
here it is. Where's the box? I do it here.
I don't know where it is.
Okay, guys, this is my slime.
I can feel the glitter. Oh my god.
Oh my god, more slime. put this aside for a moment. Oh, you know it's not good. I'm gonna put this on the table too.
That was enough. Oopsie.
I don't know how to say it like that.
Oh, mine's, I think, finished.
Mine is on the table.
Let's get on with the table.
Oh my god, it's so big. Okay, we're not slime professionals, so we're really sorry for doing this wrong. Okay, I think it's time for the reveal. Are you finished or yeah?
Okay, just try to not get slime on it.
I can't do it.
Oh my gosh! What is this? Wanya! Look at what is this? There's shaving cream all over. Oh my god. It's okay. I got it off. Well, mine looks more finished than you. Wait. You can't even see the glitters.
Oh, I actually put
Well, mine looks more finished than you. Wait. You can't even see the glitters.
Oh, I actually put in this glitter. And I put in this glitter.
I put in the silver one.
What? Look at this.
Wait, no! Wait, Wanya, I would get on the table if I were you.
I think I'm gonna wash my hands quickly.
Oh, someone used all of the glitter here. Who was that? Okay, guys. Wow, that was really...
I want to watch it.
Okay, I think you need a little bit more of this thingy. Let me help you, because I...
Oh no!
This is bad.
Look at my sweatshirt.
This is really bad.
My God.
Wait. Try to get it on the table. Get it on the table. What is this? Wanya, look at this.
What?
Look at my...
I put in the glitter. I put in the gold one. I put in the gold.
Here's your things.
Thank you. I put in the gold. I'm such a
I think
professional.
I'm gonna get in trouble. You know.
Okay.
So fluffy. I mean, mine turned out okay.
Mine too.
Okay, I would just leave the box right
No,
now.
I need all of this.
And then I'm gonna put some more glitter in. I know it's not blindfolded, but who cares? I'm gonna put some glitter in.
I turned out with glitter.
Okay, I think yours turned out to be a little bit more messy than mine, but that's okay.
But it's still good.
Still good. Mine's
Really pinkish. I think I put in a good consistency. Yeah.
Where are all the bottles of glitter?
I don't know. But wait,
Can I have?
we need to
Can
do?
you put in that one?
Sure. Oh my gosh, I think it's getting together. You just have to play with it a little bit more. It's not gonna get so sticky then. Let me know.
Oh goodness.
Oh my gosh. It's gonna take a
So
little.
easy.
I can't open it.
I put the brush. Did I have it? Fine. Thank you.
Okay, you put in.
I found something hard. Something that isn't like metal.
Oh, I know. I think it's the thingy there.
Oh, wait, no, it's this. Whatever this is.
I put that in there.
It's like it's from the tiger thing.
Okay,
Mine is actually coming together.
mine too. And I still have some
My
more slime in
sweatshirt
my.
is so
I
good.
should have put my sleeves up because.
Yeah, me too.
Or like.
I found the glitter this one I put in my thing. I actually put it in my
This was a bit bigger than I expected it to be.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Since whoa, mine is really big. And this is just over here.
Like literally, there's like a lot of shaving cream on that plate. Oh my gosh, my look here. Still in my hair. Well, I guess I have to take that out.
Everywhere.
I think we have to clean this up before we get into trouble.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, so, I mean, this was our slime. I mean, it's pretty good, to be honest. But we fixed it, so, yeah. But, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. So
That's the way how you open a glitter bottle.
Oh, there we go. I want to get some. Oh, wait, I'm gonna put in some green, because you know what?
Green.
Actually, no green now. No, I'm gonna put some blue. Try it.
I'm gonna put in some of that wonderful pink.
I can't even. Be careful not to get some. I can't open it. I'm just gonna take some green.
Should I help you? Look here. Okay, that's that.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna put some green.
Oh, I put in it.
Oh my gosh, just. Okay, guys, so. And this is our finished product of our slime.
Yeah,
As you
mine is
can see, I got like a lot of things on my sweater, so I just put it back there. So, but this is the slime. I mean, it turned out pretty good. I mean, yeah. I'm really happy with it, to be honest. And you can see there's some glitters there. And we just looked at the video really quick.
It was pretty crazy
and hilarious. And
yeah.
You can see I have this thing still. And where's
my wonderful turquoise mush rainbow? It has glitter all sorts in it because we edited it. And yeah,
anyways, guys, bye. Subscribe, like, and comment below which one you think is the best. And we'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.
Don't forget my stuff.
No.
Okay.
Like.
Again.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. I have to do it really long way. Like.
Okay, one more time.
I have to do like really
really
long,
long.
20 seconds, or like 1 minute or
1,
something.
2,
2, 3, go.